In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Realme. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Then tap on password and security. Now click on screen lock password and tap on the best type for you: numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. Then wait 5 seconds and choose continue in the pop-up. Now you can create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, you can do that by choosing enable and following all of the instructions. I will go with cancel though. Finally, when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!